Okay, morning guys, and happy new year guys, happy new year. So guys, it's another year now. We are looking for money for January because we spent a lot during December time, but now we are in another year. Welcome back, and I'm so happy God at least he gave us a chance to be still alive. So it means he has plans for us. So happy new year to everyone guys. I hope you guys are fine. We really enjoy it. We are fine. Okay, so guys, let's go back to business. So today our code is gonna be 144 and 138. I've already done the calculations because I don't want to make it as a long video. So what is going to happen here, as you can see, 44 came, 38 came there as a bonus ball. So what I'm thinking, from the bottom code, I think they'll select, if you say 1 plus 38, it will give us a 39, but we're going to take it as a 36, which means our banker today is 36 and a 2. Our banker today, hey guys, you don't have to mind the noise, people are still partying, but I'm like, I didn't make a video because there's background noise. Maybe you guys are gonna be irritated. Okay, cool. So the banker today is 36 and it's 2. I hope I'm clear on that. Then I'm going to say 13 plus 8, that gives me a 21, which means a 21 is coming today. This number 21 and 19, they skipped that number yesterday, so there's a high chance of this number to drop. The 21 and the 19, but I'm saying the banker is 36 and 2. Okay, if we say 14 plus 4, it gives us an 18, which means an 18 is a powerful number that is coming, because I see here there's an 18 at the bottom if you check. So it can be like 1836, 1839, I don't know, something like that. Then on top again, if I say, because the 44, I see it dropped there, but I'm also thinking, if they say 1 plus 44 is a 45, 1 minus 44 is a 43. So another thing that I'm also thinking here, guys, is there might be a repeat. Oh, you know what these guys will do? Let me show you this. If the code says 144, these guys will just divide this number, this twin, this pair, they divide it by 2, it will give us a 22. Or they separate minus 10, it will give us a 33, because another twin must come today. But because of this, Helen can take the 14 from that code, because the code says 144. I guess Helen will take the 14 there instead of 44. She'll take the 14. Then it's like gonna be like 36, 14, and then the other one can be 2, 14. Then the other one can be 36, 18. We just have to mix up the numbers like that. Remember yesterday there's a number that they skipped, 27. They skipped this number 27. So let me just say, maybe but remember guys, these numbers, you play them on Betway, you also play them on UK Fortnite. So it's these days there's nothing like, if a number comes on Betway, it also comes on UK. They've changed their system in such a way that you get confused if you're not actually following. So what is going to happen here is the first code says 144, the second code says 138. So I think this one we're going to give us a 21. If we subtract, it will give us a 5, but we're not interested in the lowest numbers like 5. 15 dropped, 16 dropped instead of 19, so still pending there. But let me see what else. Okay, I'm left with 19 here, I'm left with 33, I'm left with 5. Did 5 drop any case? Yeah, so 1933, 36, 2. It's a 4 numbers. It's just that, when these guys, I don't know how they see our numbers. It's 2, 36, 18, 33, and then there's what else did I say? Oh, a 14. I'm just doing this for you guys to put on the Tremolo. Then there's 43. For the bonuses, I'm thinking 22, 33, 27, and maybe 19. Yeah, this is what it is, guys, for a happy new year. Check these numbers, put them on the Tremolo, do 2 numbers or 3 numbers, go back to the code and check exactly what was happening, and then you might be lucky today and get something. So yeah guys, it's still open with the books and the group. guys, we're on fire now. We are working, we are fighting with these guys. We're not going to reverse. So yeah, please keep on subscribing and liking the comments. And another thing is, guys, I leave the link in the first comment of the video if you need to get the book or get to the group. Thank you very much.